This is a repair video for the C9000 tablet remote control. When you see the words "device not ready, please wait," start by powering off all power to the chair. The only tool you'll need is a small screwdriver. On the bottom of the tablet, locate the two small Phillips head screws on either side of the cord where it meets the tablet. Using a small Phillips head screwdriver, remove both screws. After both screws are removed, just use your fingernails and pop the door off. Next, check the connection where the cord goes into the back of the tablet. Make sure that connection is fully seated. Once you've made sure that connection is secure, set the rubber grommet into the channel and reinstall the door. Next, put the two screws back in, reconnect the tablet to the chair, turn the power on, and enjoy your massage.